So many of you will be traveling around the holidays, and traveling on an airplane is not so fun when you have neck and back pain. And maybe you're worried that you're not going to be able to actually enjoy your vacation and enjoy the time with friends or loved ones when you're cramped in an airplane seat and you don't have a lot of room to get up and move around. Well, what can you do with neck and back pain when you travel? I'm going to talk about a few tips to help you, and we have a blog over on our website we'll link below with even more suggestions to help you. So number one is you want to make sure that you schedule your flight, if possible, with shorter legs. So being able to have stops, and it might take you a little bit longer to get there, but when you're confined and on an airplane for more than a few hours, it definitely leaves less room for walking and moving around, which helps alleviate a lot of that stiffness that you'll get in your neck and your back. So if you can break up that trip in a couple layovers or at least one layover, it actually will be more helpful for you because you can walk through the airport and you can move around a little bit more. Number two is you want to make sure you choose an aisle seat. This is going to allow for you to get up and down more often, especially when that seatbelt sign goes off. You want to be able to move when you are able to. So getting up and down from your crammed airplane seat, if you're in coach and you're not lucky enough to be in first class, you want to be able to have easy access to the aisle so you can walk up and down, you can walk to the bathroom, you can be able to get up and down from your chair or even move your legs a little more freely. Then number three is you want to stay hydrated. So drinking lots of fluids and preparing the day before or a couple days before with an electrolyte packet and putting that in a water bottle, or also just staying away from coffee, caffeine, and alcohol the days before you travel. So that way you can make sure when you're hydrated, it actually helps your discs in your spine and alleviates some of that like achiness and stiffness that you'll get in your neck and your back. So hydration is super important. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about is just being able to do some breathing exercises and have some support for your neck and your back. So we can be very tense sometimes on a flight. A lot of people have anxiety about traveling. So just closing your eyes, doing some breathing, nice deep breathing through your belly and through your lower abdominal area will allow your muscles to relax a little bit. You'll take some tension out of your neck and shoulders and out of your lower back. And then when you are sitting, a good suggestion is having some kind of towel you take with you or a little lumbar support, and you're putting that right behind your lower back here. You can play around with what works, but a lot of times those airplane seats are not having a lot of cushion behind your lower back. So try those tips. I hope they help you. And if you need more suggestions from us, go ahead and contact us, and we're happy to help and answer any questions over the phone as well. So go on over to that blog and you can read even more tips to help you fly with less back and neck pain.